Hi, welcome all. This is Suruchi Hirawat from Mumbai, and our call today is money and relationship. So I'm so excited, and I am so excited to have people from different parts of the world. Thank you so much for joining in, and thank you so much, Ula, for organizing this. So I'm really grateful, and I'm excited. So money and relationship. It's both a very hot topic. We all love money and we all love relationship, and we all have problem with money and we all have problem with relationship. So how about looking what is the common factor between both? Like the moment if we can see where our relationship is, we can also pinpoint our relationship with
এই
money
মই কিবা ক্লাছ এটা কৰি আছো
that can change. I request you all if you can mute yourself because it'll be easier for you to listen to the recording later. And if you want to ask any question, please do unmute and ask. Yeah, thank you so much for muting. So, when I say the word, let's say relationship, what comes to your mind? Like right now, I'm feeling very nice because I just finished watching a very nice rom-com movie. And it was like happy ending in the end, and you get swayed away with all the emotions and all the dance, and somebody who's like there for you all the time.
it's a hearted
Sorry,
it's hearted
I can't. Yutika, I can't hear you properly if you're saying. Yeah.
uh, when we hear the term relationship, the first word come to my mind is that it's hearted so much
It's
so
hurt so
much
much. It hurts.
so much pain.
Okay. So everywhere relationship for you is pain, suffering, hurt. Can you now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy, and uncreate all?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, hot, cock, all nice, short, birds and yes. Because see the definition what we have of relationship, right? If it's hurt, painful, and suffering, so our relationship with ourselves will also be defined by hurt, painful, and suffering. Because we have a relationship with ourselves first, and then we have a relationship with somebody else. But whatever you define relationship as, your meaning, your belief about relationship, you'll be creating the similar relationship with yourself also. So if I'm pronouncing you right, Jutika, right? So Jutika, if I have to ask you, what is your relationship with yourself? Is it kind, nurturing, or are you, do you hurt yourself, if I have to put it in a very layman way?
Yes, I hurt myself.
So yeah, so how about letting go all the definition we have of relationship, because each one of us have a very different relationship definition of relationship, right? So all the definitions you have of
Yes.
relationship, can you all now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy, and uncreate at all times a gazillion? Right and
Yes.
wrong, good and bad, all such poisonous, whatever relationship means to you, can you destroy and uncreate it all?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, all nine. Why do I say? Because see, I'm putting two here right now, two parallel stories. Relationship with ourselves, the partner, and relationship with money, right? If your blanket statement of relationship is hurt, painful, okay. So I have to ask another question. What is your relationship with money? Is it good? Is it hurt? Is it painful?
Painful.
So see, this is what it is because of a blanket statement of whatever the definition we have of relationship. So now that definition will go all over the way, everywhere, whatever people, things we have relationship with. Just give me a minute. Let me make Ula a co-host. Ula, I completely forgot how do we make co-host. Sorry. Participants.
Yes, go down in participants.
Wait, I have. Yeah, got it. Wait, Ula. Give me a minute, guys. Sorry. Yes, I'm here, Ula. More. Make her a co-host. Make co-host. I made you co-host, Ulla. Yeah. Great. So all the definitions you have of the word relationship, can you all now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy, uncreate, and let it all go? Right and wrong, good and bad, point, all nine, short, and whatever you have learned about the word relationship from the time you were a child, and everywhere you're creating your life based on that definition of relationship. Can you now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy, and uncreate it all and dissipate it and release it from your system for now and all eternity? That's the good and bad one for all nine shots, poison. And now, can you return it back to the sender, to whoever it belongs to, from whichever time, space, dimension it belongs to? Can you now return it with a lot of love, light, consciousness attached? Right and wrong, good and bad, one pop, all nine shots, poison. Anybody else? What does relationship means to them?
Like romantic relationship, but very like fantasy, like Cinderella at the end. Someone will come and save
Thank
me.
you. So all the dreams, hopes, fantasies you have attached with the word relationship, and everywhere you have picked it up from the movies, and everywhere you're looking for those happy endings, and everywhere you're suffering in that relationship, and hopes and dreams that in the ending everything will turn out nice. Can you now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy, uncreate all the hopes, dreams, fantasies that you have attached to the word relationship?
Yes.
Strong, good and bad, pot and pock, all nine shots, boys and girls, everything which doesn't allow you to be present with your current relationship. And everywhere you are creating your relationship based on conclusions of your hopes and dreams that you have seen, heard, read in movies, novels. Can you now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy, and create at all times a gazillion? Right and
Yes.
wrong, bad, of all nine shots, boys and girls. Everywhere you're suffering in a relationship, waiting for it to turn tables, because that's what happens in the end. The, somebody will come and save you, and everywhere you're waiting for somebody to come on the white horse, a prince charming to come, or a princess to come to save you. Can you now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy, and create and let go those myths and archetypes for now knowledge?
Yes.
Right,
Yes.
wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all nine short version. Yes, everywhere you are not standing for your own self. Everywhere you're not loving and caring and nurturing your own self with the hopes and dreams for somebody else to come and take care of you, look after you, change your life. And everywhere you're looking
You can correct it, I guess.
outside of you, can you now revoke, recant, reclaim, denounce, destroy, and create at all times a gazillion? Right and
Yes.
wrong, good and bad, one pop, all nine shots, boys and girls. And similarly, it goes with the finances, right? Because we feel that somebody will come and change our monetary reality. Somebody will guide us. Somebody will turn the table. We are waiting for that man or a woman in our life to change, like the luck factor. How many times we say it's a man luck, it's a woman luck, and they have entered my life, and now everything going to change. So everywhere your hopes and dreams, waiting for that lucky charm in your life to enter so that your monetary reality can change, which doesn't allow you to be present with your current reality with finance and be and do whatever it takes to change it for greater. Can you now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy, and create at all times a gazillion?
Yes.
Yes.
Wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all nine short birds and girls. And everywhere you were taught as a woman that there will be a man who will take care of your needs. And everywhere you're looking for that man, everywhere you're still waiting for that man to show up. Can you give up that dream? Can you give up that fight of looking somebody outside of you to fix you? Can you let go that need? Can you let go those programming that has been that has been implanted and explanted into your universe the time you were born.
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pop, all 9 short birds and beyonds, and everywhere you were told that there's somebody outside of you is made for you. And everywhere you're looking for that somebody. And all your life, there's a void. And you don't know what that void is because you're looking the source outside of you rather than within you. Can you now let go that void, let go that find? And can you just
Yes.
in front of the mirror and see yourself and say, hey, I found that person whom I've been looking and chasing for. And everything which doesn't allow you to perceive, know, be, receive, and see yourself from those lenses, can you now destroy and uncreate all those thoughts, feelings, emotions? No thoughts, feelings, emotions come in your way to receive you in totality.
Yes.
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all 9 shots, person. Truth, how many of you hoping somebody to come and fix our problems? Somebody to come and nurture us the way we would like to be nurtured. Somebody to come and take care of a monetary reality, right?
Yes.
Everything that brings up or lets you down. Can you all now, whatever you've learned at whatever age you learned, are you willing to unlearn that now?
Yes.
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all 9 shots, poison. So, what energy, space, consciousness, choice, magic, miracle, mystery, possibility can you and your body be to be totally intimate with your own self? You truly be for all eternity. Everything which doesn't allow you to have that intimate relationship with yourself, with your money, with money, with your own self. Can you now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, denounce, destroy, and create at all times at the failure? Right and
Yes.
wrong,
Yes.
of all 9 shots, boys and girls, everything which doesn't allow you to see money as your lover, so that you can have him all the time with you, everywhere, everything. It doesn't allow you to seduce money and keep with you forever. Can you now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy, create all the myths and archetypes that you have, which doesn't allow you to have another partner, a part.
That was a good one.
9 shots, boys and beyond. Yeah. Somebody
Yes.
has a question. Sorry.
Thank you so much.
Welcome. Anybody else? Something is pinging? Because I can go on. This is one subject that I love the most. Relationship.
I have a
I
question.
want to go.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, great. What will it take for me to have money as my lover? Because I was married and I got divorced and I did things that I believe was bad and I was a bad girl and I'm punishing myself, and the conclusion was from my ex-husband, I'm bad. So I'm a terrible, bad person in seduction and love. And now I just, I find it hard to be a lover of anything. I just shut
Yeah,
down.
you're a bad girl.
So bad girl.
Bad, naughty girl. Okay. So
Yes.
all the labels your ex-husband, all the labels, all the people have put on you, and all the projections, expectations, separation, rejection, judgments, anyone who has ever met has put on you. And everywhere you're creating your life to prove them wrong or prove yourself right, or prove them right or prove yourself wrong. Can you now destroy and uncreate at all times, Agazzalia? Right and wrong,
Yes.
bad, pot and pock, all 9 shots, boys and young. So what will it say? Take you to be proud. Oh, I'm a naughty girl. What will it take to have a naughty boyfriend? Money, be naughty. I like naughty people in my life.
It's so hard. It feels a little bit contracted. So like I'm struggling spiritually to convince myself that I can be someone who makes mistakes and I can be a cheater and I can be all these things.
When you're convincing yourself, what is the deep down belief you have about yourself? That you are not good. We need to convince the other thing because we believe. And what's wrong in being naughty? What's wrong in it's a judgment. Anytime good is also a judgment, bad is also a judgment. And judgments are supposed to control you. If I say, hey, Leela, you're naughty. Okay, you're mean, you're bad. So next time, what will you do? You'll try to be good and nice to me.
Yes.
Yeah, because deep down you believe you're naughty and you know that, oh my God, she's seeing me. So I need to prove that I'm a nice person. What is
Or I will rebel, or
or
I
you
will
rebel
rebel.
to prove, right? But either ways, do you have a choice? No, I control your trigger point. I control you. I have
Okay.
a remote control to control you. You have to dance to my tunes. Right? So everywhere you are dancing to other people's tune to be approved,
Okay.
validated, and appreciated by them. Can you now let go the need, the necessity of being validated, received, and appreciated by others?
Yes.
And everything which doesn't allow you to have that as your reality, can you not destroy and uncreate it all? Right?
Yes.
That one pork, all 9 short poison yes. And the first thing you need to do is all the labels you have put on yourself of who you are. Can you let go of that?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pork, all 9 shots, poison yes. And what energy, space, consciousness, choice, magic, miracle, mystery, possibility can you and your body be to love, appreciate you for who you be? We have so
Step
much.
into my own universe
We have
instead of my dad or these men and others.
Okay, because people don't appreciate you, you stop appreciating yourself. So everywhere you have stopped appreciating yourself because people don't appreciate you. Can you give that job up to seek appreciation from others?
Yes,
Right and
please.
wrong, good and bad, pot and pork, all 9 shots, boys and men. See, the thing is, how much, all the judgments you all have about your own self, can you now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy, and uncreate all those judgments? Right and wrong, good
Yes.
and bad, pot and pork, all 9 shots, boys and men, and all of you, all the labels you have put on yourself. Can you, with regards to money or with regards to relationship, can you now destroy and uncreate it all?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, one pork, all 9 short Brazilians, and every way you're fighting and proving somebody else right or wrong based on the judgment they had of you. Can you let go of that fight?
Yes.
Right and wrong,
Yes.
good and bad, one pork, all 9 short Brazilians, and everywhere you've decided because you're bad, naughty, mean, and that's the reason money's not coming to you. So everywhere,
Yes.
all
That's me.
all the lies. Trust me, there'll be so many other people raising their hands too.
I'm punishing myself for eternity. Just
Good
no,
job.
no, no.
Good
No
job.
more.
You need more punishment. Shall we send some energetic energies towards you for more punishment? Or are you choosing something different? See, whose lies, what lies, and how many lies have you bought? Just because you're bad, mean, vicious, that's the reason good things don't happen to you. And everywhere you bought that lie, everywhere you're creating based on that lie, can you now destroy and uncreate and return to whoever the shit belongs to with a lot of love, let
Yeah,
go?
yeah.
Right and wrong,
And
good and bad,
yeah.
shots,
Thank
budget.
you.
This is how we
And everywhere I believe I'm cursed. Like I believed I was cursed. All that
okay.
stuff everywhere.
All the examinations that you have put on yourself or anybody else has put on you because you didn't listen to what they have to say, and everywhere you bought that lie, you're living that lie, and you're creating your life based on that lie, is now the time to revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy, and uncreate, and return to whoever the fuck it belongs to with lot of love,
Oh yes.
consciousness attached. Right and wrong, good
Woohoo.
and bad, all 9 shots.
And
Yeah. So how much
great. And all the
how much small you have to be for anybody to have power, or their curse has to have power on you?
oh, that just blew. I went blank.
Okay.
I
The
don't know.
other question is, how much do you like the victimhood?
Oh, I love it so much. I'm looking at it. I love it.
So you
Look at
love it.
me.
So now you have to think, okay, can I create a different story rather than being a victim? Can I be a power who I truly be?
Yes.
Because if you are being a powerhouse, no curse can have any effect. But if you're being a victim, you're inviting people to prove such a nice victim you are, so that people.
Oh yes. And yes. I do that, and all the entities I invite then to interfere with my money and my relationship.
So is now the time to have a completely different perspective of you so that your monetary reality, your relationship with yourself and others can change? Or do you like the trauma, drama, or victimhood? You can have either. It's your choice. What are you going to choose?
Joy.
If you see, joy and victimhood really don't go well. They don't sit in the same compartment.
Power.
Power and sadness really don't go in the same compartment.
Okay, I don't know. No. What do I know?
Everywhere you're looking somebody else to give you an answer so that you can blame them for the choice you made.
Ouch. Okay.
Can you destroy and uncreate it all?
Yes.
Right and wrong.
That's very naughty of me.
What if it's okay to be naughty and at the same time you can be a powerhouse and still do a drama? I'm so pathetic. Can somebody help me? It's okay.
Okay. Okay.
But the thing is, what you're doing is to perform to be a great actress. You're buying that lie, you're living that lie so that you look authentic. So everywhere you're buying the lie that you're selling to people to look authentic, and you're creating your life based on that lie. Can you all now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy, and uncreate all times a gazillion?
Thank you.
Right and wrong, and bad, pot pork, all nine shots, boys and beyonds. So when you go for a fancy dress, do you start believing that? No, you know it's a fancy dress. So everywhere you are creating a lie, a drama. Don't believe that. But for the Oscar award, everywhere you believing that lie so that one day you get the Oscar award and it says yes. But at what cost? At cost of you? Interesting. So everywhere are living that lie or being pathetic. Can you all give it up?
Yes.
Because none of you are pathetic. Whether it's money, whether it's relationship, you know it. What's the value of playing small?
Gives me an excuse to not step up and do what I truly desire.
Great. So everywhere, all of you creating a facade of victimhood so that you can do what you truly desire and cover yourself with that facade. Can you let go of that facade, do whatever you truly desire with total ease rather than struggle? Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pork, all nine short birds and beyonds, and everywhere you've concluded what you truly desire is so bad, ugly, and wrong, which doesn't give you the permission to do what you truly desire by being powerful. Can you now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy, and uncreate at all times a gazillion? Right and wrong,
Yes.
bad, pot and pork, all nine shorts, birds and beyond. Whose lies, what lies, and how many lies all of you have bought about yourself, which doesn't allow you to do what you truly desire openly with ease. And everything that you have concluded that you need to hide behind. Can you now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy, and uncreate at all times?
That's a big one.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pork, all nine shots, boys and it's like laser beam.
Awesome. Thank you.
Great. So, how many lies have you bought about yourself? About how many lies you bought about money? How many lies you have bought about your relationship with money? Are you all willing to give that facade up for now and all eternity and be brutally honest with yourself? Just with yourself. Be honest with yourself and lie to the whole world. It doesn't matter. But everywhere you lie to yourself and you're being honest with the world. Can you change this, please?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pork, all nine shots, boys and beyond. And truth, who will not be by your side if you become a powerhouse? Everywhere you're thinking too hard, can you all now destroy and create it all?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, POD and POC, all nice short Brazilians. And everywhere you concluded, if you are too wealthy, you're too rich, or you're too happy, you're too joyful, everybody will leave you, because people only take sides of people who are sad, who are victim, and everywhere you're choosing that so that you can have large amount of people by your side. Can you now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy, and uncreate at all times a gazillion?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, POD and POC, all nine shots. Yes. I can see two hands. Let me go with Lena. You have your hand raised. Yeah.
I'm Lena.
Yeah,
Okay,
Lena.
I'm having a very common thing in my money and relationship. That is, I'm getting every time backsteps.
Hmm. So everywhere you're trusting
So
everything.
I'm receiving, whenever I give money to anyone, they never return to me, they backstep me.
So,
In
Lena,
relationship also, I give thousands of things when I get backstep of them.
so all the projections, expectations, separation, rejection, judgments you have when you give money to people, what they will do to you and what they will not do to you, can you now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy, and uncreate all times a gazillion? Right and wrong, good and bad, POD and POC, all nine short Brazilians. And a beautiful line Gary Douglas say, if you want to get rid of people with money, they will never come. Right?
Exactly, but if I not give you the money, also in relationship, also I'm getting backstepping. So
Okay.
very common thing.
So do you trust your awareness?
Nowadays, I don't trust anyone.
So the thing is, everywhere you blindly trusting people rather than trusting your own awareness. Can you destroy and uncreate all?
Yes.
Wrong, good and bad, POD and POC, all nine short buzzme, and all the conclusion. If you have conclusion that people see, once when it happens, I didn't trust my awareness, but then when it becomes a belief, that becomes my programming. Okay, that is there. So every time the same result will happen because of the programming. So all the conclusion you have that people backstab me in relationship, people backstab me when I give them money, and everywhere you're creating your life, your monetary situation based on those thoughts, feelings, emotions, no thoughts, feelings, emotions, conclusions, and judgments. Can you now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy, and uncreate all times a gazillion? Right?
Yes.
And bad, POD and POC, all nine short Brazilians. Do you like those people who backstab you?
No.
So everywhere you don't know how to get rid of those people, you create a situation where they backstab you. So you have valid reason and justification to get rid of them. Can you now destroy and uncreate it all? See, you're laughing. It's true. But right and wrong, good and bad, POD and POC.
Yeah, it's true, because I'm looking for every time. It's actually nail on a head.
So see, you can go easy. Hey, I don't like them. I don't want to give them my money to get rid of him. What is the easiest, nicest way can I get rid of people whom I don't like without the need to create trauma and drama? So everywhere you are creating trauma and trauma to get rid of something or someone. Can you now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy, and create all the trifold sequencing system that you have placed in your life, which doesn't allow you to outcreate and create a different reality?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, POD and POC, all nine short versions. And how many lifetime have you backstabbed those people that it's their turn to backstab you? So all the oaths, vows, pairing, felting, binding, bonding, contract you have made from them in any lifetime, space, dimension, reality. Can you make those records as null and void now, please?
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes.
Right and wrong,
Yes.
POD and POC, all nine shots. And how much fun can you have with your money? Do you love money? Truth.
I love money.
Do you love money?
I love money for spending others, not on myself.
So see, that's the reason. I love money, but I love spending on others. So how many people come and take your money because you love spending on them? They say, okay, we love having money. We'll take your money and go. So everywhere you don't love to have money for yourself. Can you destroy and uncreate
Because
it?
I feel like that right now we are doing clearing. I feel like that maybe I'm not loving myself. I'm getting those awareness.
Yes, because you are money too. If you don't love money, you don't love that part of you too. Right? And everywhere you love others more than yourself, so you're happy spending on them rather than you. What have you decided that they have that you don't have? That you can shower your love on them and cannot receive love for yourself. Everything that each one of you have decided which doesn't allow you to receive your own self, love your own self, nurture your own self, and be happy for your own self and create for your own self. Can you all now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, denounce, destroy, and uncreate all those thoughts, feelings, emotions, no thoughts, feelings, emotions that you have logged into your molecular, physical, and energetic level? Can you let it all go and allow it to dissipate and release it with ease?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, POD and POC, all natural. Lena, I don't mind. I love myself. I love receiving money. If you have too much, I can share my bank details. Bring it on. I will not backstab. I'm just asking, give it to me, baby. I'm happy to receive.
No, right now I make a choice to give my bank details to everyone and receiving money for myself.
See, that's the thing. See how much you are not willing to create money with the fear that people will take it away from you. How much we limit our monetary situation because deep down we have a fear that somebody will take it away from you. How much you create a comfortable distance in relationship because you're fearful that somebody will take advantage of you. So everywhere you're creating that comfortable distance with money and people because of the conclusion that people will take advantage of you. Can you all now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, denounce, destroy, and uncreate, and let it all go out of your system for now and all eternity?
Yes.
That one for
Yes.
9 shots, boys and beyonds. And what energy, space, consciousness, choice, magic, miracle, mystery, possibility can you and your body be to be the rich witch bitch you truly do for all eternity? Everything which doesn't allow you to be the rich bitch,
And
can you not destroy and uncreate it?
yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, POD and POC, all 9 shots, every day refusing to be a bitch. Because you have to be sweet, 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 so that people have to backstab you. Where you can say, hey, I love you, but I love my money more. Sorry. Everywhere you are unwilling to be that energy for yourself. Can you all now destroy and uncreate it all?
Yes.
Wrong, good and bad, POD and POC, all 9 short banana. And how much do you love to be that goody goody pants? A little, a lot, or megaton?
Lot.
Can you give that label up? Can you give that need to be goody goody? Acknowledge your goody goody, but at the same time, goody can be bitter too. Sweets can be bitter sweets also. Dark chocolate, people love dark chocolates. It is
Yeah.
bitter, but it is sweet. It's a chocolate. So where
Yeah.
have you concluded that you need to be only be sweet? And everywhere you're fighting just to be sweet, which doesn't allow you to refuse people what you don't desire to give them, whether your time or money. Can you not destroy and uncreate all
Yes.
these emotions attached
And
to it?
send it back to the center.
Right and wrong, good and bad, one pop, all 9 shots, boys and beyonds. Anything else? Leela?
Yeah, I'm also having an issue that I'm always self-sabotage. And I'm always looking that my husband has to earn more and give it to me.
Then keep waiting because he cannot give it to you because you give it to other people. So he cannot create.
That's true.
So start loving yourself. Start loving yourself so much that he will flow money at you.
Okay.
The moment you love yourself, the moment you feel, oh wow, do you dress up? Do you use jewelry? Do you seduce him with the things that he has given? Why will people give it? Why your husband should give it to you? Do you?
Never give me. He said, take a money and buy it for yourself.
So buy the expensive thing. Wow, I love it. Make the biggest bank statement, credit card, and then next time he'll come to you. He's like, oh no, I'll swipe it, sweetheart. You leave it. Trust me. Just make a good amount, and next time he will come shopping. If that's what you do.
I stay next to Shoppers Stop. I go every day Shoppers Stop for buy myself and I buy for others.
So, what do you require? My size? What you require? What I will send you. All of us can send you if you like shopping for others.
Yeah, it happens actually. And it's happened energetically. I am not.
So ask, who does this belong to? When you go to Shoppers Stop, when you go for shopping, ask, who am I shopping for? What is that compulsion? Because the need to be appreciated by others is so high that you don't shop for yourself, but you shop for others. Why? Because what do you get in return? Oh, you're such a sweetheart, Leena. Thank you so much for thinking of me. Thank you for that present. Just for this. Right?
People are telling me that also.
People
People
don't.
are telling me, no, they never acknowledge. They always say, अरे तू लाई ठीक है पर इतना खास नहीं है.
So see, that's the whole thing. So everywhere you expecting what people have to say, and everywhere you're doing that, one fine day they can acknowledge and say how worthy you are in their life. All the hopes, all the dreams, all the expectations that you have from people, which doesn't allow you to be present, what you truly desire in your life. Can you destroy and uncreate at all times of the
Yes.
Be a home play for you. Stand in the mirror and say whatever you want people to say to you, say it to yourself. Look into the mirror, hear it, and say it to yourself, so that you say it so many times that you get so tired and you're like, I'm done. My stomach is full receiving compliments. Now I can create and generate my life. Simple.
But if someone say I love you now, I never able to receive those words also.
Because you don't love yourself. You're like, oh my God, what do they want from me? They're saying I love you. Because you are in the head that they're saying I love you. They desire something from me. They want to sabotage me. So all the conclusions you already have, what people desire from you, what people expect you, can you destroy and uncreate at all times of Gazalian? Right and wrong, good and bad, one pop, all nine short bajanias. Because when we don't believe we are worthy and people say you are worthy, we feel that they have some agenda with us, which doesn't allow us to receive that. So what energy, space, consciousness, choice, magic, miracle, mystery, possibility can you and your body be to love yourself like your own lover for all eternity? Everything which doesn't allow you to love yourself, cherish yourself, nourish yourself, appreciate yourself, will you all now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy, and uncreate all times of Gazalian?
Yes.
Wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all nine short Bajanians. Play with this and see how things start shifting.
I have one more issue. Any male clients will come to me, they always approach me for sex, not any other things.
Because that's what your body wants and you're refusing. So body is creating people to pounce on you.
So
Give body, see, oh, sweetheart, when people don't pay attention, we have a problem that people are not paying attention. Okay, why do we dress up? Let's be very honest. Why all of us dress up, whether men or women? Because we want to be lusted after. But we have a definition who should lust after and who should not lust after, right? Just receive it. Just receive those energies. You don't need to populate with them. Say, hey, thank you so much, and give them what you want to give. That's it. You go window shopping. Can the salesperson give you shopping bag in hand? No, you just go visit and come. The same thing, let them visit. Don't have to give the shopping bag to them.
So I cut off with everyone, because of that.
Of course, don't cut off, receive. But then the thing is, how much do you have to appreciate yourself to allow you to receive that? You are a masterpiece. You are an amazing piece of art. When you look at painting and people say, oh, wow. And some people feel like, oh my God, want to put this in my bathroom. Do we have a point of view? No. So we are a beautiful art. That's the reason we are women. Everybody wants to cherish and appreciate. And if they don't, you will go to the parlor and say, hey, something is wrong with my skin. Something is wrong with my body. Why do you want to lose weight? Because people are not looking at me. So either which ways we have a problem. So we have to be very honest with ourselves. Hey, we like the lust, the energy that is given. Receive it. It doesn't mean that we have to do anything about it. And same as with money. Money is that energy of lust. Receive it. Have it. Appreciate it. And say, hey, I love it. And see it growing. So you have to be honest with yourself. Okay. And if you are those who don't enjoy the lust, my mistake, I enjoy it. So I'm just giving you mine.
Enjoy, but I always, worried how many people are bouncing on me. I left so many.
Now here thousands of people will pounce on to have that energy. Okay, you're lucky. Enjoy it. Be in gratitude. Oh my God, people are lusting after me. Yay! How can I receive it and then convert that into money?
Okay.
Now you will do it because we can convert it into money. See, here we are talking money talks, baby.
Yeah, that's true.
So receive it. You don't have to do anything. It's called window shopping.
Thank you.
I have a
Thank you
question.
so
Suruchi.
much.
Can I ask?
Yeah. Somebody was saying I can't hear. Okay.
I said, can I ask a question?
Yeah, Geeta.
Like you said, the complete access says that you should love yourself first. Won't that be called as a self-centered person?
Okay, tell me one thing. If you're hungry and you have to feed food to 100 people every day, how many days can you actually feed it with pure, genuine love?
Till the time I can afford it.
What is the threshold? There'll be a threshold point, right? Which
Yeah.
will come and break.
Yeah.
The same thing is, if your vessel is not full,
Okay.
you will never, you'll always be on a lack.
Okay.
When I have self-love, my stomach is full. If you offer me a dessert, I'll be like, wow. If I'm full, if you offer me a chocolate, I'll be like, wow. Tea, coffee, everything is wow. But if I'm on an empty fuel, right?
Yeah.
So each can only give something that we can offer, not everything, right? And we are always on a lack, and that's the reason we're always complaining that nobody loves me, okay? Nobody cares for me. Why it is coming? Because my fuel tank is empty. If I love myself and I'm on a high fuel, even a little fuel at the race of life, and it is not selfish,
Okay.
because then I can receive. How many people you hear and they have the same complaint, hey, nobody loves me, nobody cares for me. The whole problem with a relationship is because we're looking for that love, we're looking for that nurturing, caring outside of us, and everybody gives, but they can only give what they have. And if they're on a low fuel, how can they share something that they don't have? Can you give something to somebody that you don't have?
Okay. It's that way.
Yeah. Is this being selfish? Then maybe. But I feel, hey, if I have, I can share that love. I can share that warmth with people. But if I don't have it, how will I give it to you, even if I want to give you?
At times you notice that people have changed and you remain the same. So you start feeling, where have I gone wrong?
It's an expectation. All the projections, expectations, separation, rejection, judgments you have of people.
Okay.
No, are you saying what you were yesterday? Truth.
Yes, I don't know if I've changed.
See, the thing is, you're looking for a big major change.
Yeah.
Has my face changed? Has my bank balance changed? Has my relationship changed? Has my job changed? But if you tap into your energy, what you were, we are evolving being, we evolve every day. Something comes, it changes the universe. Something comes, something touch, we feel sad, happy, different shades of emotion. We are not the same. So are people. But if you have a conclusion, an expectation of how they should behave with you based on your past reference point,
Yes.
that is a recipe of disaster. So all the reference point you have of how people should behave, treat you, receive you, can you all now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy, and uncreate at all times, Sagat Zalian?
Yes.
Good and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all nine shut, bhajane, all the projections, expectations, separation, rejection, judgments you have of any relationship, of any person in your life.
Okay.
Can you now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy, and uncreate at all?
Okay. Thank
Good
you.
and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all nine shots, boys and girls. Because why it's a disaster? Yesterday I didn't love money, but today if something shifted, I love money. But my conclusion, I don't love money, will be creating my current reality. Okay. But if I acknowledge that, hey, this has shifted for me, my entire forward life will be a completely different story.
Okay.
So when you don't look at people from conclusion, you can see those sides of them that they were unwilling to explore till yesterday. When they explore, when they acknowledge, then you can see that in them.
Fine.
Yeah, Nita?
Yeah, I got it. Thank you so much.
Rupali has a hand raised. Yeah, Rupali.
Yes, Suruchi. I wanted to ask, like, it happens to me, trust becomes an issue at times. Because if somebody lies me it becomes very difficult for me to trust again that person. Maybe that person is genuine second time, but it really takes a lot of time for me to build that trust, especially it happens with my relationship with my husband.
Rupali, two things.
So
Acknowledge people will always lie. And when people are lying, what are they scared of? Because we always lie when we are scared of someone or something. If you see a child, the moment he knows that if my mom figures out that I've watched 2 hours of TV, he will start lying. No, I just watched 30 minutes. You see, I was doing this and I was doing this. Because they are scared of it. They're scared of a punishment. So if in a relationship somebody is lying, what are they really scared of? And the other thing
maybe he doesn't want to hurt me.
is it
Maybe he doesn't want to hurt me.
it's a lie that we tell ourselves that they don't want to hurt us.
वो उसने क्या खाना बताया?
Sunita,
Okay.
it's a lie that they tell. And it's a nice lie. We all lie that the person doesn't want to hurt me. That's the reason they're lying. It can be one. B, it is like, see, the thing is, everywhere we try, the moment we get into a relationship, we want to change it.
True.
We want to make them fit to but they're not a toy that we can change. It's not a Lego. I want a house and I'll build all the Lego and make a house out of it. Okay. So we have to say, hey, whatever am I grateful for the person I have in my life? For who they are, not who I think they should be. Whether it's a man or a woman, we all want to change a person. It's not a clothes. The moment we say, hey, you wear such bland clothes, you should wear colorful clothes. Hey, you wear such short clothes, you should wear covered. But my question is, hey, you met me and you knew who we were. You liked me for who I was. And now if you want to change me to fit into it, so everywhere you're trying to change your partner to fit into your box of whom you think they should be, which never give you the freedom also to be you. Can you destroy and uncreate it all?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pork, all 9 short buttons. How much we have to suppress ourselves also, because we have a demand of somebody to change. So we have to change ourselves also, match their demand. So what will it take to have allowance for who we are and have allowance for who they are? And everywhere you're unwilling to have allowance for them, and see, are you really in gratitude for who they are, or you will only be in gratitude for who they will become? And
Yes.
everywhere you will only be in gratitude for who they become. Can you destroy and uncreate it all?
Yes.
That is wrong, good and bad, pot, pop, all 9 short means, and ask how much allowance can I have? The moment you may have an allowance for their mistake, they may not be a need to lie. Because a lie come where I am scared of someone or something. A lie come where I'm not being honest with myself, what I really desire to do. And I want to have a peace, harmony kind of a relationship. So everywhere you're lying to yourself or to your partner to maintain peace and harmony. Can you now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy, and uncreate at all times a gazillion?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pork, all 9 short buzzing ones. Peace and harmony. But you may maintain the peace and harmony, but how much volcano is going deep inside in your universe? Are you really peaceful?
Too much. No.
What is the value of having peace outside of you if you can't have that peace inside of you? So
True.
whose lies, what lies, and how many lies have you bought about how the marriage should look like, be like, what you need to be and do in a relationship, what do you need to be and do with money? Can you all revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy, and uncreate everything you have learned, bought, sold to anyone across lifetime, space, dimension, reality? Will you let it go now?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pork, all 9 shots, birds and beyonds, and everything which doesn't allow you to be completely honest with yourself. Because if you have a problem with somebody, if you have a judgment of someone, where have you been and done that? That the person reminds you of that? Or where do you desire to do, but you're not giving yourself permission that you have a judgment of them?
Yes. True.
So everything which doesn't allow you to be completely honest with yourself so that you can be and do what will create greater for you, and you can allow that person to be and do what will create greater for them. And everywhere you are not willing to co-create with your partner, everywhere you want to be the dominating one. So the thing is, are you looking for a partner or are you looking for a dog?
Okay.
Because we can train the dog, but we cannot train a partner. So everywhere you misidentified and misapplied, what kind of a partner are you looking for? Can you all now destroy and uncreate it all?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, POD and POC, all 9 shots, boys and beyond. Because if you're looking, see, there are 3 kinds of people: winner category, a loser category, and a so if you're looking for a loser category, they will do whatever you want. So if you're looking somebody whom you can train, look for a no loser category. They will do whatever you say. If you say it's morning, they'll say, yes, darling, it's morning. And if you're looking for a no count, who will be a contribution, but they will have a head of their own. So you have to be very clear what kind of a partner are you looking for, and what category are you? Are you willing to be that no count? Whatever category you are you willing to be that no count? Which give that space to the partner and have their own space and create. And everywhere you are unwilling to be that for yourself, and recognize wherever you are in the scheme of things. And created all times a gazillion.
Yes.
Good and wrong, good and bad, POD and POC, all 9 short bazillions. I'm sorry, Rupali, I could not sugarcoat it.
Okay. That is true. It's okay. But Suruchi, the thing is what, I know I got your point. The thing is, for him, his friends are the priority, and for them, he will tell me anything and he'll just leave the house.
Okay, great.
So it becomes really, really hard for
Who's
me.
your priority? Truth, who's
Him.
your priority? So amazing. You're not
My
making
husband.
yourself the priority. Why are you making somebody outside of you the priority? That's what we have learned. Everywhere we have learned that we have to make our partner, our kids, or any other member of our family as priority, and everywhere you have made them your priority, which doesn't include you. Can you not destroy and uncreate it all? Right?
Yes.
That one POC, all 9 short bazillions, people treat you the way you treat yourself. So how are you treating yourself? It is not to exclude you. It is not from a selfish interest. But if you don't acknowledge or cherish you, people will not acknowledge and cherish you. So if you have a problem,
Yes.
he's not treating you, ask, hey, how am I treating myself? Because the same way the world is going to treat me. And
Yeah.
you're waiting for a big achievement so that you can finally give yourself permission to treat yourself nicely. Can you read this conclusion and the judgment that you have logged in yourself?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, POD and POC, all 9 short bazillions. Does it clarify, Rupali?
Yes. Thank you so much, Suruchi. Thanks a lot.
I can see a hand. Maria, you have a hand. Do you have a question, Maria? Yeah. Maria, do you have a question? I can see your hand. Okay. Anybody else have a question? Please unmute and say if you have.
Yes, I have a question.
It's okay?
Can you talk about receiving money with my relationship with business?
Yeah. So do you have, see, the thing is, when you see yourself as worthy, people will see you as worthy. What is your relationship with yourself defines your relationship with your business.
Okay.
Okay. That's the reason the word relationship. So what does relationship means to you?
With my business to create and generate and contribute.
This is all nice, but truth, what does the word relationship, exclude the business, what does the word relationship means to you?
Maybe like in Access, they say the distance between two objects.
Okay, so distance between two objects, why won't you allow the relationship to come close? What will happen if it comes close?
Okay.
So now if you see that, okay, the same energy, so how much are you keeping a distance between your business and not allowing the business to contribute to you completely? Everything you've concluded, what will happen if you allow the business to contribute to you 100%, and everywhere you maintaining that comfortable distance between you and your business, you and money, can you now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy, and uncreate at all times of Gatsellian?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, POD and POC, all 9 short bazillions, all the conclusions and the judgments all of you have. which doesn't allow you to have a creationship with your business, with money, with any relationship. Can you now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy, and uncreate all times a gazillion?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, point, talk, all nine short business. Because the word relationship means distance. So everywhere, the definition of relationship, everywhere we are creating our relationship with business, with money, with people, based on the definition, that is means creating a separation or a distance. Can we now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy, and create all times a gazillion?
Yes.
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all nine short business. And what will it take for you to have a creationship with your business? When you create with somebody, you allow that person to contribute too. You receive the contribution, whatever this is. But when we have a relationship, we have two kind of a party, either a dominating party or a submissive party, right? That is what we understand in a word relationship. So truth, with your business, relationship with your business, are you a dominating party or are you a submissive party?
I think the submissive.
So everywhere you're unwilling to claim, own the power and be an equal party. Can you destroy and uncreate it all?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all nine short version. It's actually like going for a surfing, right? I'm a good swimmer and water have its own magic. So I know when to take charge and when to surrender and submit. So everywhere you are not following the harmony of submitting, surrendering, and taking charge with your business and money flow. Can you now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy, and uncreate at all times a gazillion?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all nine short version. Because water is equal with me. Neither I am small nor the water. We are equal. But if you see yourself submissive or you see as you're dominating, you have put the other person low. Then there is no, you are not a gift. You're not worthy. So whatever you get, you will just take it. When you see yourself as gift and the other person as a gift, you co-create beautifully together. You know when to listen to the business, you know when to put your control, and when you know when to submit and let the business guide you. So everywhere. And the same thing is with relationship. It's a harmony and a melody together in a relationship. Sometimes you are harmony, sometimes you're a melody. But if you have a defined role, right, if you have a defined role that I am this and this person is this, which doesn't allow to co-create with the person, and everywhere you're unwilling to co-create with your business, with your partner, with your own self, can you now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy, and create all the conclusions, all the judgments that you have, which doesn't allow you to have co-creation as your reality?
Yes.
Everything matters. Wouldn't matter. Boys and beyonds. Does it help, Maria?
Yes. A lot. Thank you so much.
Okay.
I have a question.
Yeah.
How would you see this? Like, no, husbands get more attracted to other females rather than their own wife.
Okay. So how much? Okay. There are two ways of looking at it. What if we can use that energy and up your game when we get married? Okay. And when the husband give you too much attention, you also get bored. It's like, what the hell, yaar? He's just after my life. So we don't like that also. When we see other women, they have a problem. Why is they seeing as other women? What if you can take and up your game? What if that energy helps you to show up more of you? What if that energy is, if you can invite it as a flirting energy and flirt with your husband, because after certain years we get bored. It's the same routine. What if that energy can get an excitement and use that energy in the bed and show who has the power? Will that person go anywhere? It's a choice how you're going to use that energy to your advantage. And everywhere you jump into conclusion rather than using everything to your advantage to create a greater life and a relationship. Can you now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy, and create all?
Yeah.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all nine short buts. You caught him red-handed seeing someone. How much do you fantasy actor and actresses in the movie, which is okay?
Yeah.
Why is that okay? And why then looking people who are not actresses not okay?
Correct.
Because it is acceptable by the society. Everybody fantasize actor and actress. So it is okay. So what have you decided is okay and not okay based on the societal rules? Rather than, hey, how can I use this energy for creating greater in my life?
Yes.
How much it will keep in your toes to keep yourself fit? How much will it keep in your toes to look even more sexier and attract more men to make him jealous?
Yeah.
See, it's like everything has two sides. What you can complain, you can reject, you can go to conclusion and say, oh, I'm not good looking anything, or you can up your game, use that energy to create and have good sex life, create, make more money, and feel good about yourself. So my question is, how are you using that energy to your advantage? Are you using to create greater, or are you using to pull yourself down? And if you're using to pull yourself down, believe me, before he had done anything, you have shit loads of judgment about your own self. That's the reason you're getting triggered.
Yes. Agree.
So it's like, hey, thank you for letting me. I can do some inner cleaning, dusting inside, and let go all the judgments I have of me and my body.
Yeah. Agree.
Sorry. Yeah, I just know these way of dealing with things, yeah, how to create spice and create a greater life and have fun. Otherwise, it's too boring.
Truth.
And that's the reason people go through midlife crisis.
I know.
So, anybody else? Any question regarding money, relationship, anything? Last question.
Yes, I have a question.
Yeah, Sabrina.
Yes, how to explain? For example, I was raised by very abusive mother. So I don't know why, but it's like somewhere I agreed with the fact to not really live my life. So it's like I shrink myself in every area of my life, but really every area. And it is just awful right now.
Great. Sabrina, first of all, when people abuse you, why? Because they see you the most powerful person, whether you believe it or not. Because people can only abuse people whom they think are powerful. And if they can control them, they feel they have the power. Okay, that is an insider. Have you seen anybody abusing somebody who's lower than you? Have you ever seen looking at somebody who's not at par at you? No. We always look somebody who's greater, and if we feel, hey, if I can win this person heart, or if I can control this person, then I'm good enough. Okay.
Yeah.
Be everywhere you lock that lie that you have done something wrong to invite abuse in your life. Can you now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy, and create all those thoughts, feelings, emotions, no thoughts, feelings, emotions that you're using to create your life?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pork, all nine short boys and girls. And the second thing is, Sabrina, everywhere you are justifying your mother's action.
Yeah.
Can you destroy and uncreate it all?
Yes.
Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pork, online, shut, buzz, whose lies, what lies, and how many lies have you already bought? That if my mother doesn't like me, then I'm not worthy to be loved and liked by anyone else. And
Yes.
can you let programming which keep inviting those people in your life, which keep proving that you are not good enough, that you need to be abused, you need to be treated this way, and everywhere you have knowingly, unknowingly agreed and aligned, or resisted and reacted, either which ways bought this point of view so real and true, and everywhere you have made this your central programming system. Can you now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, denounce, destroy, and uncreate it all times a gazillion?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pork, all nine shorts, boys and girls. Ask this question and play. What am I refusing to be? That if I be that, it would change my reality completely. And everything which doesn't allow you to perceive, know, be, and receive that, can you not destroy and uncreate it all?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pork, all nine short boys and girls. Because when we try to play pathetic, people come and ping us so that we can claim our power. And the moment you claim your power, everybody vanishes. So where are you unwilling to claim, own, and acknowledge the powerhouse you truly be? Because we feel, no, if I would have been powerful, people wouldn't have done that. Because you have the power, but you're not acknowledging. You have bought the lie that you are a victim. You bought the lie that you're pathetic. So everywhere you bought that lie about your own self, everywhere you're creating a lie based on the conclusion that you formed about yourself when you were a child. Is now the time to revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy, and uncreate at all times a gazillion. Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pork, all 9 shots, boys and men. Say, I'm the lock. Sabrina, are you there? Say, I'm the lock.
I'm here. I didn't understand. Sorry.
Can you repeat with me? I'm the lock.
I'm the lock.
I'm the key.
I'm the key.
I'm the lock.
I'm the lock.
I'm the key.
I'm the key.
I'm the lock.
I'm the lock.
I'm the key.
I'm the key.
Now is the time.
Now is the time.
To unlock.
Why lock?
Unlock, release, and let go.
I lock, release, and let go.
All the abuse.
All the abuse.
I have locked.
I have locked.
In me.
In me.
For now and all eternity.
For now and all the eternity.
On the count of 3, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, and a different reality with yourself on the count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, what energy, space, consciousness, choice, magic, miracle, mystery can you and your body be to be the monstrous bitch? Truly be for all eternity. And everything which doesn't allow you to be that, will you destroy and uncreate all?
Oh, yes.
Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pork, online, shot, buzzerman. The abuser will shit in their pants if they think of abusing. Can you be that energy? And just be there. Hi, do you have something for me? The person like, no, nothing. Are you willing to be that energy?
Yeah.
Truth, are you willing to be that energy, or you love that comfort zone of being pathetic?
Oh, no.
Sure, Sabrina.
Yes, sure.
See, the thing is, I'll fire a bullet towards you. Are you willing to receive that? Are you willing to be that monstrous? Are you willing to be that energy that people shit in their pants?
Yeah.
Good. Then don't complain. I can't take it back.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Okay, whatever is required.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Okay, guys. I hope.
Thank you. God bless.
I hope,
amazing. Thank you.
Thank you. I hope everybody got whatever they wanted to ask.
Yeah, it was awesome.
Amazing.
Thank you, Suruchi. Thank you so
Awesome.
much.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
Suruchi.
you
God
so
bless
much.
you.
Amazing.
Thank
God.
you.
Thank you.
थैंक यू मैडम.
Thank you.
थैंक यू सुरुचि, आपने एक नया विंडो ओपन किया है रिलेशनशिप के बारे में जो हमें अभी तक नहीं मालूम था.
थैंक यू शिरीष जी. अब मैं देख रही थी आप हंस ही रहे थे, मुस्कुरा रहे थे. एंड सो नाइस. थैंक यू सो मच.
थैंक यू.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.